Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to participate in SMC Researchers Read and Earn campaign and earn Wiki Cat. So there is currently a Read and Earn campaign running on SMC Researchers from the 13th to the 31st of August 2026. And the idea is very simple. You read some of the newly featured articles on SMC Researchers, find a hidden Wiki Cat spray code inside the articles, and then use that code to join a spray party through Penny Wallet and receive your Wiki Cat reward. So in this video, I'll take you through the whole process step by step, from signing up on SMC Researchers to joining the spray party. Now before we proceed, if you find our tutorial video helpful, you can support our YouTube channel by buying our educational token, Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, and the contract address of Wiki Cat will be in the description. Now let's dive right into today's tutorial. So first off, open your phone browser, search smcresearchers.com. So here's the SMC Researchers website, and if you don't already have an account, the first thing you need to do is to create one. So just tap sign in, enter email, retrieve code, fill in the required information. One important thing here is your nickname. Make sure you take note of the nickname you're using while signing up, because you will need it later when joining the spray party. And that's it. So my account is ready. Now once you've completed the registration, you are ready for the next step, and that's Penny Wallet. So Penny Wallet is the wallet we'll use to join the spray party and receive the Wiki Cat reward. If you don't already have Penny Wallet installed, you can download and install it from your Play Store or App Store. If you already have it installed, simply open the wallet. So here is my Penny Wallet. At this point, you don't need to do anything complicated with the wallet. We are mainly going to use it to join the spray party after we find the spray code. Now let's go back to SMC Researchers. The next step is to read the newly featured articles. So here on the SMC Researchers website, simply look for the newly featured articles. Now these are the articles selected for the current Read and Earn campaign. So just open an article and read through it. Now while reading, pay attention to the content, because somewhere within the article there is a hidden Wiki Cat spray code. So don't just open the article and leave immediately. Read through the article and look carefully for the spray code. Here we go. So once you find the code, just copy it, open Penny Wallet. From the wallet interface, go to the spray section, tap join spray party. Now enter the spray code you found while reading the SMC Researchers article. Enter the nickname you used in registering here. Now tap join spray party. As you can see, this particular spray party has already ended, but that's fine. You can still continue participating in the Read and Earn campaign by reading the other featured articles and looking out for new spray codes and available spray parties. So if one spray party has ended, simply check the other featured articles and keep an eye out for another available opportunity. And that's basically it, guys. Those are the main steps required to participate in the current Read and Earn campaign. The remaining part is for the spray party to be executed by the host. And once the spray is executed, your Wiki Cat reward is sent to your Penny Wallet. Now there's also a bonus, right? Following SMC Researchers on X gives you an added time advantage. So it's a good idea to follow the official SMC Researchers account so you can get campaign updates early and stay informed about new opportunities. And remember, this campaign is currently running from the 13th to the 31st of August 2026. So make sure you participate within the campaign period. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the tutorial video. If you have any questions concerning the tutorial video, please put them in the comment section. Do not also forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a tutorial video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.